How to connect Airpods 4 to Windows 11. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open your PC or laptop. At the bottom, click on the arrow icon. After you click on arrow icon at the bottom, you'll find Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. After that, you'll find different options. Click on add a Bluetooth device, which is the first option. Then it will lead you to this page. Click on add Bluetooth or other device at the top. After you click on it, click on Bluetooth again, which is the first option. Then make sure you take out your AirPods from the box. After you have done that, it will show up in here. Click on your AirPods and it will be connected to your Windows 11. And this is how to connect AirPods 4 to Windows 11. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.